Understanding audio export easily. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to unlock the meaning of audio export. This is a term you might come across when dealing with various applications, especially in music and podcasting. So, let's dive in and make this technical jargon as simple as a walk in the park. When we talk about audio export, we're referring to the process of taking an audio file from one application or device and converting it into a format that can be used elsewhere. It's like taking your thoughts, which are in your mind, and writing them down so someone else can read them. Audio export is crucial because it allows you to share your audio creations with the world. Whether it's music, a podcast, or a voice recording, exporting audio lets you distribute your work on different platforms or devices, ensuring your sound is heard everywhere. There are many audio formats you might encounter during export, like MP3, WAV, or AAC. Each has its own benefits, with MP3 being famous for its compatibility and WAV for its high quality. Exporting audio usually involves a few simple steps. 1. Selecting the audio you want to export. 2. Choosing the format and quality settings. 3. Saving the file to a location on your device or cloud storage. To ensure a smooth export process, keep these tips in mind. Always double-check your settings before exporting. Know the requirements of the platform you're exporting to. Listen to the exported file to confirm the quality. And that's a wrap on audio export. I hope this video clears up the concept and you feel more comfortable with this handy tool in your digital toolbox. Happy exporting, and see you in the next video.